Hello students, welcome to class 12 business studies. We are going to continue with our chapter consumer protection. In today's class the topic will be the redressal agencies which are set up under CPA 1986, that is Consumer Protection Act. Okay, so three tier structure has been laid down by the Consumer Protection Act. The first one is, I can show you the redressal agencies under the CPA Act 1986, correct? So on top we can see three-tier system of consumer redressal forum. At the apex is the National Commission, then we have the State Commission, and then we have the District Forum. Okay, but when a complaint is lodged, we start from the lowest forum, that is the District Forum, correct? The District Forum consists of a president. There is a president, correct? Then a president is there who is or has been or is a qualified district judge. Then two other members are there. One of them should be a women member, correct? So three persons, one president, two member. Out of the two member, one should be a female member. Now these are appointed by state government, correct? Come to the next one, State Commission. One president who is or who has been a judge of High Court, and again these are the president and two members are appointed by state government. Again one should be a female member. Okay, then we come to the State Commission. State Commission consists of a president and four members, out of which at least one should be a female member, correct? So in District Forum, president plus two members, one female member. Again State Commission, president plus two members, one female member. And in National Commission, president who is or who has been the judge of Supreme Court and is appointed by central government, and four members, out of which one should be a female member, correct? Now let us understand each one of these in detail, correct? So we start with the District Forum. Now District Forum consists of a president and two members, as I already told you in the previous slide, one of whom should be a woman. They are appointed by state government. A complaint can be made to the appropriate District Forum when the value of goods and services against which the complaint is lost along with the compensation claim should not be more than 20 lakhs. So if a consumer is not satisfied with a good or service and the value is up to 20 lakh, then for the value and the compensation amount, he should be careful that it should not be more than 20 lakh. Then he can file a complaint in District Forum. How does it work? On receiving the complaint, the District Forum should refer the complaint to the party against whom the complaint is filed. If necessary, the goods or samples would be sent to the laboratory for testing. After the testing report from the lab and hearing to the party against whom the complaint is filed, the District Forum will pass an order. In case the aggrieved party is not satisfied with the order of District Forum, he or she can appeal before the State Commission within 30 days of passing the order, correct? So let us recall, District Forum consists of president and two members, out of which one should be a female member. All these are appointed by state government. Now amount of goods and services along with the compensation should not be more than 20 lakhs. Working of district forum is how? On receiving the complaint, what will the forum do? It will refer against the complaint to the party against whom the complaint has been lodged. If required, the goods will be sent to laboratory for testing. Then, after getting the report from lab and hearing to the party against whom the complaint is filed, the district forum will pass an order. If the party who has lodged the complaint, means the aggrieved party, is not satisfied by the judgment of district forum, he or she can appeal in state commission within the 30 days of passing the order. The time limit should be taken into consideration. We move to the next, that is the state commission. Again, we know that it is established by state government. Then it consists of president and 2 members, out of which one should be female member. Now, complaint can be made to the state commission when the value of goods or service along with the compensation is more than 20 lakh but less than 1 crore. The appeals against the order of district forum can also be filed before the state commission. Correct? The party who is not satisfied with the judgment of district forum can also file a case in the state commission. So such cases are also heard here. Now regarding the working of state commission, on receiving the complaint, the state commission will refer the complaint to the party against whom the complaint is filed. If necessary, goods or samples will be sent to the lab for testing. After considering the test report and listening to the party against whom the complaint has been lodged, the state commission will pass an order. In case the aggrieved party is not satisfied with the judgment of state commission, then he or she can appeal before national commission within 30 days of passing of the order. Correct? Now we come to the third is the national commission. This is the highest commission as per district, state and national. After national, the supreme authority is with the Supreme Court and no one else can give any judgment, or the decision of the Supreme Court are final, correct, and applicable, and all has to follow the National Commission. It is established by central government only at national level, correct. There is a president and at least 4 members, out of which one should be a female member. Now, the complaint can be lodged against the value of goods and service along with the compensation amount, which is more than 1 crore. Okay, here all those cases or all those appeals where the judgment is not acceptable by the consumer at the state commission level can be filed here at the national commission. Now regarding the working, the commission will refer the complaint to the party against whom the complaint is filed. On receiving the complaint, the case is referred to the party against whom the complaint is filed. Correct? First step, necessary samples or goods will be sent to lab if required for testing. Then the National Commission shall pass an order after considering the test report from lab and hearing to the party against whom complaint is filed. An order passed by the National Commission in a matter of its original jurisdiction is appealable before the Supreme Court. Means that only those appeals where the value of goods and services along with the compensation is more than 1 crore and where the aggrieved party is not satisfied with the order of National Commission can be taken to Supreme Court. Okay. Moreover, in case decided by District Forum, an appeal can be filed before State Commission. After that, State Commission cases can be referred to National Commission, and no after. Means once if a case is filed in Supreme Court, judgment is not acceptable, it will go to State Commission. State Commission, again the party is not satisfied, then it can go to National Commission and no further. But only those cases will go to Supreme Court where the aggrieved party is not satisfied with the judgment for the cases which have been lodged at the National Commission. They can appeal to Supreme Court, but within the 30 days of the judgment given by National Commission, okay, only such cases can go to Supreme Court. So this is an important topic that we understood today. In the next class, we can again recall this before moving ahead with the relief available. Thank you all.